Welcome to the BDB platform. Today, we'll explore how the Logistics and Quality Optimization Agent work like a virtual assistant, helping organizations resolve logistics issues, reduce rejections, and ensure smooth, reliable deliveries. Let's talk about one of the biggest hidden challenges in retail: product returns, warranty claims, and damages during delivery. Together, these issues account for more than 5% of total sales. In simple terms, for every $100 earned, at least $5 is lost due to rejections, damages, or after-sales failures. Now imagine if this loss could be reduced. The savings would not only add directly to the bottom line, but also strengthen customer trust, loyalty, and overall experience. This is where the Logistics and Quality Optimization Agent steps in, turning these challenges into opportunities for improvement. That's where having a well-structured logistics process becomes crucial. Our logistics framework focuses on three primary modes of transport: sea, road, air. Now, let's explore how the Logistics and Quality Optimization Agent support each of these to minimize risks and ensure smooth delivery. Now let's navigate to the platform and start interacting with the Logistics and Quality Optimization Agent. On the right side, you'll find the agent, where you can ask questions and receive responses. On the left side, you'll see the KPI widgets, which display the data provided to the agent. From this data, the agent generates meaningful sample KPIs that highlight key performance trends and insights. These widgets allow users to quickly monitor critical metrics such as cost, quality, and rejection reasons. Additionally, charts created from the agent's responses can be pinned for easy reference, and those pinned charts are automatically displayed within the KPI widgets. So now let's ask the agent, what are the top 5 rejection reasons contributing to the cost of poor quality? The agent provides a response that highlights the top 5 rejection reasons contributing the most to the cost of poor quality, COPQ, helping focus on the key cost drivers. At the top, display transit and warranty, followed by short shipment, other, and product quality in a table along with the total COPQ cost. The agent suggests targeted improvements in packaging, shipment controls, and quality assurance to drive cost savings. These details are also provided in visual form for better understanding, with the flexibility to switch between different chart types and the option to pin them to KPI widgets. Include the corresponding SQL query as well. Now we will go deeper and ask the agent to show products with quality issues across locations where quality management can be optimized to reduce defects. The agent provides a response highlighting products with the highest quality issues, defects, and rejections across inventory locations. For example, the Huawei MatePad Pro at Spencer Street has the highest rejected quantity and significant associated costs. Other products such as LG NanoCell 90 series, Sony Alpha A6600, and Fitbit Charge 5 also exhibit repeated quality issues across different locations, each with 7 rejected units and substantial rejection costs. The response is presented in a table format to allow easy identification of affected products and locations. Along with the insights, the agent provides deeper analysis, showing that most products average 7 rejections per location, but Huawei MatePad Pro stands out with 8 at Spencer Street, highlighting a hotspot. Products like LG Neo Chef, DLXPS13, and Morphe Richards 30L carry the highest cost impact. Locations such as Coolidge Road, Oak Hill Silver, and Source Hub Bright appear repeatedly with multiple product rejections, pointing to systemic issues. By focusing on these products and locations, there is a clear opportunity to reduce defects and overall costs. In addition, the data is visualized in charts for a clear understanding of the problem, with options to adjust the chart type if needed. These charts can also be pinned as KPI widgets for quick monitoring. The agent provides the corresponding SQL code and suggested actions, including recommended dashboards and reports. The suggested actions include real-time alerts. Here most rejected product details are mentioned, so once alert triggered, an automated email is sent with the attachment detailing the affected product. An alert email will be generated for the Huawei MatePad Pro at the Spencer Street location, enabling urgent action to be taken. Now let's move to sea transport and ask the agent to show products rejected due to transit by sea. The agent highlights the top product, Google Pixel Buds, with 112 units rejected and a total rejection cost of $47,006.33, providing clear insight into which products are most affected by sea transit issues and helping focus on actions to reduce defects and associated costs. Next, we ask the agent for the packaging details of Google Pixel Buds, shipped via sea transport. The agent provides comprehensive information including the product name, category, subcategory, dimensions, weight, manufacturer, country of origin, and reason for rejection. Alongside this, the agent recommends optimized packaging for sea transport, such as using waterproof, shock-absorbing crates with moisture barrier lining, including silica gel packets to prevent condensation damage, ensuring packaging passes drop, vibration, compression, and moisture resistance tests, and affixing ISBM 15 certified fumigation tags if using wooden packaging. The agent also presents all product IDs of Google Pixel Buds in a table format for clarity and visual analysis. The analysis shows that Google Pixel Buds, categorized under audio and video and headphones, experience high rejection rates due to transit. This highlights the need for robust protection against moisture and handling shocks, as sea freight exposes products to high humidity and rough handling. The rejection reason transit emphasizes the importance of packaging quality and compliance with international shipping standards. Implementing the recommended packaging protocols can significantly reduce future rejection rates and the associated cost of poor quality. Next, we ask the agent for suggestions to improve packaging and reduce transit damage by sea. The agent provides packaging improvement suggestions to reduce transit damage by sea. Shipping goods by sea exposes products to moisture, rough handling, stacking pressure, and pest risks. To minimize transit damage and lower the cost of poor quality, consider the following packaging enhancements. Waterproof and moisture-proof packaging. Use laminated cartons or water-resistant outer layers. Strengthen cartons/crates. Employ double or triple-walled corrugated cartons for heavy or fragile goods. Pest and infestation prevention, fumigation. Ensure all wooden packaging is fumigated and stamped per ISBM 15 regulations. Shock and vibration protection. Add foam inserts, molded thermocol, or air pillows to cushion products. Compression and stackability. Conduct compression tests to verify that packaging resists stacking loads. Seal integrity and label durability. Test seals for water and tamper resistance. Use adhesive tape, H-taping method. Pre-shipment packaging quality tests include drop test, moisture resistance test, seal integrity test, a visual inspection for dents, tears, and tape. Maintain documentation and compliance. Along with this, the agent provides specific action steps. Use waterproof and pest-proof packaging materials for sea shipments. Ensure proper fumigation and certification of wooden packaging. Adopt cushioning and stacking protocols to guard against physical and environmental damage. Perform regular packaging quality tests before mass shipments, and train warehouse staff on proper loading, sealing, and labeling. Implementing these improvements helps prevent product returns, customs delays, and regulatory penalties, ultimately lowering. Now, ask the agent a specific question about fumigation. Can you provide some fumigation details for shipments transported by sea? Agent response. Fumigation details for sea transit. All listed product rejections occurred during sea transport, primarily due to transit-related issues. Fumigation is critical for shipments using wooden pallets, crates, or organic packaging to prevent pest infestation and comply with international regulations, ISBM 15. Chemicals commonly used include methyl bromide and phosphine. Key inspection checkpoints are pre-shipment, customs, and warehouse audits. Locations affected: Australia, India, and multiple U.S. states. Cost impact. Each rejection event incurs $666.50 per unit, highlighting the financial impact of inadequate packaging or missed fumigation steps. All products are listed in table format. Apart from providing the top rejection reasons, the system also generates a comprehensive rejection list and further presents trends over time to track recurring issues. Geographic spread to identify high-risk locations. Cost of poor quality impact to prioritize corrective actions. Preventive actions, such as using ISPM 15 certified wooden packaging, maintaining fumigation certificates, and conducting regular audits to reduce transit-related rejections and associated costs. Additionally, the fumigation risk overview is visualized for clearer understanding, enabling quick identification of potential bottlenecks and areas for intervention. Now that we've covered the packaging details, we can go deeper and ask the agent about the test details. So let's ask, give me the test details to be conducted for packaging for transit by sea. The agent responds with a list of essential packaging quality tests for sea transit, which include drop test, vibration test, compression test, moisture resistance test, fumigation and pest control verification, seal integrity test, package label durability test, barcode and QR code scan test, transit simulation test, visual inspection. With these test details, we've now asked almost all the key questions related to reducing rejections during sea transit. The agent has provided us with clear insights and recommended actions, giving us a solid path forward to minimize transit-related risks and costs. Now let's move to road transport. Road shipments face a completely different set of challenges. Long travel distances, poor road conditions, and frequent handling at checkpoints often lead to product damage. Now let's ask, give me the top products rejected due to transit issues by road transport. The agent identifies the top products rejected due to transit via road transport. Products such as the Microsoft Surface laptop, Bose Quiet Comfort, Gillette Styler trimmer, and several others as the most frequently rejected during road transit. Their details are also presented in a table format for clear visibility. The system provides details including product name, inventory location, rejected quantity, cost, category, reason of rejection, and the transport method used. The analysis show that the highest rejection volumes are in the computers and peripherals and audio and video categories. Rejections are concentrated at specific locations, which points to possible handling or packaging issues. The cost impact per rejection is significant, indicating that transit-related damages are a major contributor to the cost of poor quality. Overall, high-value electronics and personal care products are particularly vulnerable during road transport. To address this, improvements in packaging, handling practices, and logistics protocols are recommended to help reduce these losses. Additionally, the system provides visual charts for clear understanding, and the SQL query used is also shown to ensure the response is accurate and transparent. Now let's ask the agent, give me the packaging details of Gillette Styler trimmer of transit by transport method is road with dimensions. Agent provide the product details which include product name, category, subcategory, manufacturer, country of origin, dimensions, weight range, reason of rejection, transport method. For road transport, packaging should be robust enough to withstand vibration, stacking, and handling shocks. Recommended packaging tests include drop test, vibration test, compression test, and moisture resistance test. Stabilization measures such as stretch film, straps, and dunnage should be used to prevent movement during transit. The Gillette Styler trimmer product details are provided in a table format for clear visual appeal. The analysis shows that the Gillette Styler trimmer has experienced transit-related rejections across multiple package dimensions and weights. Although the rejection quantity per dimension is relatively low, 1 to 4 units, the cost impact is significant, up to 2,150.68. Most rejections occurred during road transport, highlighting the need for improved packaging resilience against vibration and stacking. Rejections span across different locations and regions, indicating that consistent packaging standards must be applied across all sites. Key insight: larger and heavier packages appear more prone to damage during road transit if not properly cushioned or stabilized. Implementing standardized packaging protocols and quality tests can help reduce future cost of poor quality. Now let's ask to the agent, give me the test details to be conducted for packaging for transit by road. The agent provided the recommended packaging quality tests for road transit are as follows. To ensure packaging durability and minimize the cost of poor quality (COPQ) during road transportation, the following tests should be conducted. drop test, vibration test, compression test, moisture resistance test, seal integrity test, package label durability test, barcode and QR code scan test, visual inspection, transit simulation test. Note: for refrigerated, high-value, or fragile goods, it is recommended to include additional tests such as temperature monitoring and shock sensors. Conducting these tests helps reduce product rejections during road transport, improves packaging reliability, and lowers overall COPQ. Next comes air transport. While it offers speed, it also brings unique requirements. One of the most critical factors in air shipments is weight management. Exceeding weight limits not only increases cost, but may also breach aviation safety standards. In addition, compliance with strict airline packaging and safety regulations is non-negotiable. Now ask the agent. Give me top products rejected due to reason of transit by transport method is flight. The top products rejected due to transit issues by flight include Microsoft Surface Laptop, Hewlett P Pavilion, and several others. All these products are presented in a table structure for clear visibility, analysis, and insights. The majority of rejected products fall under computers and peripherals, audio and video, gaming, television, and wearables categories. The highest rejection cost is linked to the Microsoft Surface Laptop, showing that high-value electronics are especially vulnerable in flight transport. All rejections are due to transit issues, which signals the need for improved packaging or handling during air shipments. Mesta Parkway and Oak Misty record the highest rejection counts and costs, making them priority areas for process review and enhanced packaging protocols. Provide the recommendation like: given the nature of flight transport, special focus should be on shock/vibration protection, moisture resistance, and tamper-proof packaging. Implementing ITA-compliant packaging and conducting regular packaging quality tests, drop, vibration, moisture resistance, and altitude tests can significantly reduce future transit-related rejections and lower COPQ. A visual chart is also provided for a clear understanding of rejection trends. Now ask the agent. Give me the packaging details for LenoVTab P11 Pro of transit by transport method is flight with dimensions. Agent provide the packaging recommendations for LenoVTab P11 Pro for air transport include product name, dimensions, weight, manufacturer, country of origin, recommended packaging, compliance note. In the recommended packaging include foam inserts and molded thermocol for shock/vibration, absorption anti-static bags or ESD foam, silica gel for moisture protection, tamper-evident seals and clear fragile/electronics labels, and provided compliance note also. Also provide additional flight transport packaging tips. Use brick-style pallet stacking with straps for cargo stability. Conduct drop, vibration, moisture resistance, and seal integrity tests prior to shipping. Train staff in correct handling and labeling of electronic devices with batteries. Test packaging with drop test, vibration test, compression test, moisture resistance, and seal integrity altitude test for flight cargo. Lastly, ask the agent. Give me the government guidelines for transit using the flight transport method. Agent response. Government guidelines for packaging in air flight transport. ITA Dangerous Goods Regulations (DGR). Follow ITA DGR for shipping batteries, electronics, chemicals, and hazardous goods. Ministry of Civil Aviation Security norms. Clearance is required for restricted electronics, high-value cargo, or items flagged for screening. Air cargo safety and handling. Packaging must be strong and stackable, minimum 5-ply cartons for heavy goods. Labeling and documentation. Barcodes and QR codes must be machine-readable for logistics and tracking. Export/import control compliance. Ensure packaging meets origin and destination country regulations. Additional advice. Carry insurance documentation for high-value shipments. Expect customs inspections of packaging integrity. Always package goods as per IATA DGR, aviation security, and customs labeling standards. For hazardous or valuable items, include all certifications and documents to avoid delays or penalties. Overall, these measures reduce the risk of rejections and returns, ensure regulatory compliance, and enhance customer satisfaction for air shipments. This holistic view makes the agent a true end-to-end partner in logistics and quality expert. It acts as an analyst, providing data on rejections and costs. It acts as a consultant, identifying root causes. And it acts as an expert advisor, suggesting preventive actions and industry best practices. With its insights, recommendations, and proactive guidance, the Logistics and Quality Optimization Agent empowers organizations to minimize losses, improve operational efficiency, and deliver products consistently and reliably.